Hi, I'm Zach, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a flowchart using the website creately.com. A flowchart can help you illustrate and organize your ideas so that you can present them to somebody else or so that you can storyboard for a project such as a movie. The first step in this process is going to be opening up your web browser and typing in creately.com into the address bar. That should bring you to this page. Next, move your mouse over the word Products, and when the drop-down menu appears, select Creately Online from the top of the list. On this first page, simply click the Try Creately Now button to get started. You may need to wait for a few loading screens that look like this or one of these two messages as the actual app is loading. Once the app loads, it should take you to the welcome screen. This screen has several useful tips for getting started with making flowcharts. However, I'll show you how to start a flowchart from scratch. You may have noticed already that there's a toolbar along the top of the app, and the second to the left button is the New Page button, and it has an icon that is a white piece of paper. And this looks very similar to Microsoft Word if you're familiar with that. We're going to go ahead and click this button, and it should bring up a menu. When it asks you what you plan to draw, simply type in flowchart into the text box and then select flowcharts from the drop-down menu. Step 2 is to select blank document, and then step 3 is to add a title. For this example, I will create a flowchart on how to pass your class, and I will use this as the title for my flowchart. Once you have a title selected, simply click Create Document, and it should bring you to an empty page that looks like this. To get started, click and drag a rectangle from the Shapes menu on the left anywhere onto the page. And voila, you have your first text box for your flowchart. You should also notice, along with your new text box, a toolbar that rests along the top of the box. On the left side of this toolbar is the Edit Text button. The icon is a capital letter A. Clicking this button will allow you to enter the text for the first step of your flowchart into the text box. Once you've entered this text, click the button on the right side of the toolbar to add the next shape in your flowchart. Before adding text to this second rectangle, you may wish to change the line between the two rectangles into an arrow. To do this, simply click on the line, which should highlight it and also bring up a new toolbar for the line. The middle button in this toolbar changes the right line head. Click the drop-down arrow and select the arrowhead that you prefer, and it will be added to the line between your rectangles. And there you have it. Those are the basic steps for creating a flowchart on creately.com. Just keep adding boxes as you need steps for your flowchart.